And hello ladies and gentlemen, it is BLURG HONK, and I am here with a QWOP video. That's right, QWOP. This game sucks, I have to say that much about it. So yeah, I'm just about finished here, and I have had that hurdle stuck halfway up my ass for about 50 meters now. And somehow you're supposed to jump at the end, but I don't know, maybe one of you professionals can do that for me. Anyway, I'm a national hero. How you like that? So yeah, anyway, I just start trying to do again here. Nice big leap there. And I'm starting, and yeah, I just fail. I was starting to do it and fail. And yeah, so if you ever want to try this, don't. Okay, just don't. And okay, we're still going, and I think right now I'm trying to just flip my legs over my head, do an epic backflip, something. Okay, let's go. Yes, and we're almost there. We almost got our flinging my leg around like a headless chicken, and here we go. Didn't get to see my legs flip over my head that time. Okay, nice big step there. Full on backflip. Just don't even care anymore. Screw this game. Screw QWOP. See you later.